Hey everyone, if you're still manually copying and pasting links from Google Drive into your spreadsheets, you're doing it the hard way. In 2026, Google Sheets has a built-in shortcut that lets you search and attach your files without ever leaving the cell. Today I'm showing you the @mention trick to link your PDFs in seconds. Let's save some time. Step 1. Type the symbol. First, make sure your PDF is already uploaded to your Google Drive. Go to the cell in your spreadsheet where you want the file to go. Simply type the symbol. A drop-down menu will appear instantly. This is the Smart Fill menu that lets you pull in people, dates, and, most importantly, files. Step 2. Search for your file name. Immediately after the symbol, start typing the name of your PDF as it appears in your drive. As you type, Google Sheets will search your entire drive and list the most relevant files. Look for the file with the red PDF icon next to it to make sure you're selecting the right document. Step 3. Select and create the Smart chip. Once you see the correct file in the list, click on it or highlight it and press Enter. The file name will now appear in the cell as a Smart chip. The best part, you don't have to worry about sharing permissions. If the people viewing your sheet don't have access to that PDF yet, Google will actually prompt you to share it with them right then and there. Step 4. Preview the document. The reason this is better than a standard link is the hover feature. Hover your mouse over the new Smart chip. A small preview window will pop up showing the first page of the PDF. You can even click the Open Preview icon to view the whole document in a side panel without actually leaving your spreadsheet. It's the cleanest and fastest way to keep your documents organized. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.